Welcome to our explainer video on artificial intelligence AI and machine learning, two revolutionary technologies that are transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world. Today, we will explore the continued growth of AI and machine learning applications, from natural language processing to personalized recommendations and automated processes. So, let's dive in. Scene 1. Natural language processing. Imagine a world where machines understand and communicate with us just like humans do. Thanks to natural language processing (NLP), this vision is becoming a reality. NLP enables computers to comprehend and respond to human language, making interactions more natural and efficient. From voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to automatic language translation, NLP is empowering us to connect effortlessly with technology. Scene 2. Personalized recommendations. Have you ever wondered how online platforms seem to magically know your preferences? Machine learning is the secret behind these personalized recommendations. By analyzing vast amounts of data, machine learning algorithms learn about your behavior, interests, and buying patterns. This knowledge is then used to tailor recommendations, whether it's suggesting movies, music, or products. As a result, your digital experience becomes more engaging and customized to your unique taste. Scene 3. Automated processes. Automation has become a game changer across industries, allowing for increased efficiency, reduced costs, and improved accuracy. Machine learning brings automation to a whole new level. By training models with large datasets, machines can now automate complex tasks that were once done exclusively by humans. From fraud detection in financial institutions to autonomous vehicles on our roads, machine learning algorithms enable intricate processes to be handled swiftly and accurately. Scene 4. Ethical considerations. While AI and machine learning offer incredible advancements, ethical considerations are paramount. It is crucial to ensure that these technologies are developed and utilized responsibly. Striking a balance between progress and addressing concerns, such as data privacy, bias, and accountability, is essential for building a robust and trustworthy AI ecosystem. Conclusion. The continued growth of AI and machine learning applications is just scratching the surface of their transformative potential. Natural language processing, personalized recommendations, and automated processes represent only a fraction of what these technologies can achieve. As we journey into the future, AI and machine learning will continue to shape our lives, simplifying tasks, enhancing experiences, and unlocking new frontiers. So brace yourself for an exciting world empowered by AI and machine learning. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI and machine learning. We hope you enjoyed our explainer video. Stay curious and embrace the possibilities that AI and machine learning bring.